First of all, teaching PE is like teaching any other subjects. It's just that it's conducted outdoors and the students are physically engaged. I tend to teach using a variety of ways, of which is mainly student-centered. I make sure that at the beginning of the lesson, the students know what they will be learning, and at the end of the lesson, what they should have learned. I try to make my classes engaging by having games, and from there they are able to judge their ability level and rate themselves. And at the end of the lesson, there should be some form of physical exertion and the learning of some sports skills and knowledge. My main philosophy is that every student counts. And I have this deep belief that physical education can uplift a student from the stresses of their studies and can give some temporary relief from their personal or family problems. I tend not to look at them from their physical appearance, but rather from their passion and their interest. For example, I may have a student who is short but wants to learn how to play basketball. Or this student could be already an accomplished player. The main form of assessment to me is their level of improvement. And this can have a starting point at very low for a beginner and very high for an accomplished player. What matters the most is actually that the values that they adopt. And this will decide their attitude, their behavior, and their character. For example, I may have a student who is overweight and struggles to run the 2.4-kilometer run test. But to me, this student is a winner because this student tries hard. It is with this value that one day this student will become a winner.